Hi guys, gawa kami ngayon guys ng salata. Ayan guys, yung ingredients niya guys ay pipino, carrots, tsaka crab stick. Tsaka ayan guys, yung canned corn. Tapos ito guys ay sesame seeds, black pepper. Ayan na guys, yung sauce namin mga guys. So, as you can see mga guys, ayan, mikos-mikos na. Ayan siya guys, may sesame oil, mayonnaise, at saka, may asin yan guys. Wala asin? Ana ra siya, wala timpla.